Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to do a makeover of your bathroom on a budget. I spent less than $80 and of course with such a tiny budget I cannot do a lot of things, but watch this video till the end and let me know your thoughts on the final result in the comment section below. Now I need to remove all of the stuff from the bathroom and start preparing the bathroom for painting. Everything is ready and I can start painting the walls. This is the paint we chose for the walls. I always wanted to have emerald walls in the bathroom, and this is the closest color we were able to find in Home Depot. When you apply paint to the walls, at first it looks really bright, but when paint dries, it will be darker. I applied 2 coats of paint, and in my opinion, this bathroom already looks great. And this is the second color for today's project. It is metallic gold. I applied 2 coats of paint and I think it is more than enough. We also bought a new white shower curtain for $9.99 and a tropical wall art for $29.99. And this is the final result. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.